Welcome back to Carolina Rut Cuddles. Today we are going riding. The hurricane just passed. It's kind of still here a little bit. You can see the wind still here, and I think it's over. If not, we are going to be up for one crazy surprise. The wind is kicking like crazy. That's why I'm in the woods. We on the Rancher today. We're going to take both the Rancher and the 500, but the Start in Illinois went out on the 500. I mean, my luck this week, guys. Come on. So we got 6 inches of rain, meaning we have a lot of rain, and this four-wheeler is about to go find some of these holes. If y'all watched last week's video, you know it was all dry. We couldn't find no mud, and I was upset. But now we got more mud that we can shake a stick at, or at least water. So we're going to throw the GoPro on. I'm probably going to go over here to this little hole and see how much water it has. And then we're going to go to the big hole, the swamp hole that I went in last week, and we're going to see how well the Rancher does with the new carb. So I will see y'all in a second when the GoPro's on. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's get going. Let's see if any trees fell back here. Oh, crap. Anyways, we got about 5-6 inches of rain, which is a lot if you don't know anything about rain. Oh wow, this hole's still dry. You can just see how, well, it got a little water on it. It is so dry out here that even these holes like this, with all the water we got, didn't even fill them up. Didn't even do anything for this hole. Let's get going to the big holes. So the wind's still blowing pretty hard today, guys, so I'll try to talk, but it's probably going to be a little muffled, mumbled, whatever. And so sorry about that ahead of time. Whoa, look at all this water. Oh, a hole got some water today in it. We're gonna go down here though. There's nothing better than being in a drought and then getting all this water. We're gonna go through. Oh, look at that! I'll put a picture of what it looked like last week compared to what it looks like. Gone, like all of it. That ditch, you can see it used to be super deep. It's gone. Sweet. So, let's go through this. Whoa! Yeah, baby. Problem is all this grass is in here where it's been dry. I think we go through here. Oh, hello. Come on, baby. Whoa. Let's knock down the grass. Woo! Oh. Whoa. Oh, I should have known that was going to happen. How did we get stuck in 2 seconds? We are not doing good so far. Oh. There we go. We're not going back in that hole. That was bad luck right there. Oh. Wow, it's actually shallow. Y'all seen this hole? It's normally super deep, but well, we ain't hit it lately. It's shallow. Woo! Come on. thing is, she's doing good today. She likes me today. Lean on this side, because last time I flipped it. Woo! Man, I wish I had the 500 today. I think that thing would do better than this. Whoa! Y'all see that thing? It's getting deeper. I love it. Whew, my finger's starting to hurt. This thing's vibrating so bad. Hey, look, a turtle. Hey, buddy. I'm sorry to push you out. Whoa. You know, normally, if we weren't in such a drought, this whole spot would be about level with the ditch. But because we're in a drought, it literally didn't have, it just filled in the holes. Okay, let's go to this spot over here. Wow, look at this, baby. Snake. There's a snake in there. I hope y'all can see it. Oh. Ah! Where'd he go? Snakey. He gonna slide up here and get on my... Now we better get out of here. Oh, there he is, right in front of us. You see him? I'm sorry, buddy. You don't look poisonous, but I'm still terrified of you. I can't tell if he's poisonous or not. It's a baby turtle! What's the baby turtle doing? What kind is it? I can't see. Let's see. Oh, there he goes. Come here, Snakey. I'm following you. Oh, it's just a little corn snake. Or a king snake. I can't really tell. Leave. This is my hole now. Oh, crap. We are completely underwater now. Okay, go, 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 go. Oh! Wow. We're floating, we're floating. We're not even hitting the ground, we're just floating. Did we get water in the car? I don't think so. Yes. We got water in the intake a little bit. So let's be careful. I gotta re-plumb that, I guess. Oh, my butt's wet. Okay, we'll go through this one more time. Whoa! Whoa! The snake's back in here again. Hey, buddy, leave me alone. I'll leave you alone. Hey, baby. Woo! Oh. know silverbacks are heavy, but come on, baby, you got more than that. I feel like this thing needs a gear reduction, but at the same time, I don't want to waste that money on it. That's a good hole, but it's truly a swamp hole. Last time we went in there, we got 4 four-wheelers stuck. A Can-Am, 2 Grizzlies, and a Honda 420, I think it was. Was not a good day for the four-wheelers. Oh. This ain't it. This is a different hole. I'm in the wrong. Oh, there's my hole. It's right beside it. Get out of my way, you stupid trees. Nobody cares about the environment. Oh. Whoa. Come on, baby. Get out of here. Yeah. Oh, got lights on. It is actually kind of deep here. Woo! Well, deep for what it is. Oh, that stabbed me in the ass. Hello. I really gotta bring some shovels out here. Get out of my way, you stupid tree. This is my hole. Get out of it. Let's dig it out a little bit. Oh, there you go. Oh! Wrong way to dig out. Let's go the other way then. Oh no, we scuffed the tree. Poor tree. She's like, nope. She's not feeling it today. Oops. Yeah, Daddy. Woo! Stupid tree fell in my path. Oh. Yeah. That was the spot that stopped the 500. Woo! It looks so fun. But if y'all saw that video, it didn't work out so well. At least not for me. It worked out great for anybody watching it, but for me, not so much. I think I spent, I'm trying to think, how long did I spend? I think I spent like almost 30, 40 minutes trying to get out of that hole. Cypress knees trying to take away my ties. Dang it. I just cleaned this out. Stupid storm. Oh, look at that one. That's a big one. Ah, I gotta come through and clean that up. Spent all this time cleaning these paths up just for the storm to knock them back over. This is why I like a four-wheeler. My side-by-side is too expensive to scratch all up. This old four-wheeler, I ain't worried about it. Scratch her up, break her, who cares? Oh. There's that tree from the other day. Take this tree. Ah. Whoa, look at the water out there. Hello. I'll put a video right up here somewhere. Well, you know, I just stopped the video and put a video right here to show you how dry it was last week. To show y'all just how bad it is, this is where you pump water out of and a dike so it won't come back in here. And look at that. There's no mud in there. And you know what, guys? I really just need to hire me a cameraman. Somebody just to have somebody to ride with. Maybe I'll pay somebody to actually come ride with me. I wanted to take the 500 and the 350 out, kind of test them together. But sadly, the 500 starting solenoid just went out. Why? I don't know. I went to it. It acted like the battery was dead, which the battery is like junk. I put the jumper cables on it. Wouldn't charge. I tried everything, wouldn't do anything. Starting solenoid just gone. I I even took the battery terminals off and hooked to the jumper cables straight. Still won't do anything. I keep forgetting that this thing don't have brakes. See, look, nothing. That one's jammed. That one's jammed down. This is one of those spots. It doesn't look bad until you get in it, and it's not bad. It's just deeper than it looks. Here, well, it used to, oh, it's gone now. Oh. Okay. I don't like this. Ah! Ugh. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching as always. The Rancher did, yeah, I don't know what you would say. Not that good today. She was acting super weak. Maybe I need to change the air filter, and I don't know. It's a brand new car. She was just acting weak. But of course, it could just be normal. I mean, she normally acts weak when she gets in thick mud. Sometimes it could be the silverbacks. Normally, we just stay in water. So I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and check it out. See if if it's just being weak because it is weak, or if it's being weak because I don't know. But definitely gonna have to check that out. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, make sure you check out this other 350 video and the 350 playlist. And if you wouldn't mind, subscribe to the channel, because we are always playing in the mud with everything else. I know the 500 is dead today, so hopefully we get it fixed soon too. Anyways, guys, I'll see you on the next one.